Did you know that humans are in space every second of every day? While you work, while you sleep, they're up there. This week on Space But Messier. 15 countries took over 10 years to build a space station that orbits the Earth. It's called the International Space Station, or the ISS. It's owned and operated by Canada, Japan, Russia, the United States, and the European Space Agency. In fact, we've been living in space since the year 2000. It spans the length of an American football field and weighs more than 862,000 pounds. A 6-person crew typically stays 4 to 6 months aboard the ISS. With a full crew of 6, the ISS operates as a full research facility, developing technologies such as 3D printing, Earth imaging, laser communications, and even a garden. While they're conducting experiments inside, they also have to maintain the space station. This often means venturing out on spacewalks, leaving the station, connected by only a cord, and repairing the ISS from the outside. The ISS orbits the Earth once every 90 minutes, but it's perfectly stable because when the pull of Earth's gravity is balanced with the speed of the space station, it will forever fall around the Earth unless acted upon by another force. The speed needed to stay in a stable orbit is called orbital velocity. Now, 150 miles above the Earth, the International Space Station has an orbital velocity of over 17,000 miles per hour. Did you know that you can actually see the International Space Station from your very own backyard? Download an ISS Finder app. It'll tell you when to look up, how visible it will be, and it'll also tell you which astronauts are currently living in outer space aboard the International Space Station.